Who's that? Who's that pretty girl? Who that pretty little girl? Who that pretty girl? Say, we take a quick video for Mama before we leave to go to the vet. If everybody else will be quiet, I'll try to squeak the ball. What's that? What's that? Say, I'm not interested. I'm sleepy. I just had a warm bath and I'm ready to go take a nap. Anyway, there's my cute little face. Little cutie patootie. Hey, little darling. Hey, little darling. Say, okay. Maybe later we get a new one. Maybe later we get a new one. Say, bye, Mommy. See you soon. Bye, Mommy. See you soon.